Dear students, we are studying lesson 8, teeth and microbes. So we have discussed about the teeth, milk teeth are temporary teeth and the permanent teeth, and kinds of teeth, incisor, canine, premolars and molar, and also the structure of teeth, tooth, decay, care of teeth. Today we are going to study food for healthy teeth. For healthy teeth, we should eat foods which are rich in vitamins and minerals. We should eat green leafy vegetables and fresh fruits, milk, yogurt, and cheese are calcium rich food. Calcium helps from calcium helps form and maintain healthy teeth. We should avoid eating too many sweets, sugary snacks, sticky foods like chocolates and the fizzy drink. So calcium plays an important role in the care of our teeth. So we should take calcium rich diet. It is necessary for us to take milk daily because milk also contains calcium and it is the complete food or the complete diet. We should avoid to eat the sweety things, sweet, chocolate, etc. We can take but not in a huge amount because these attract the microbes and microbes destroy our the teeth. Now about the microbes, uh, microbes are tiny living things. These can be seen only through a microscope. Microbes can grow where they get warmth, moisture, food, and air. Some microbes are harmful while some are useful too. Microbes are broadly divided into four main types. So, microbes are tiny living organisms which cannot be seen by the naked eyes. They may be seen with the help of microscope only. They flourish well in warm moisture and the food and the air. If moisture is there and sufficient food is there and air is there, and these are the favorable condition which favors the growth of the microbes. So there are four main types of the microbes. One is the bacteria. Bacteria is found everywhere. Bacteria exists everywhere and is most and in almost everything. Some of these can cause diseases such as typhoid, tuberculosis, cholera, diphtheria, etc. Some bacteria can be quite useful. Cheese, soy sauce, vinegar, wine, etc. are all are produced by the help of useful bacteria. So bacteria exist everywhere, and some bacteria are harmful and that causes the diseases, and while some bacteria are useful which provide us useful products. You are familiar to some diseases caused by the bacteria as the pneumonia, typhoid, tuberculosis, diphtheria. These are a few examples of the diseases. And products, you know the some household products as whey or the curd is obtained by the lab bacteria. So in this way, vinegar also produced by the bacteria. So bacteria produces so many things to us. Now next on the viruses. Viruses are organisms that are even smaller than the bacteria. These are harmful and are responsible for diseases like smallpox, chickenpox, common cold, influenza, mumps, measles, polio, and the AIDS. So these are the smaller than the bacteria, and these are the harmful and they causes so many diseases. Nowadays we are familiar with COVID. COVID is a virus and that causes the diseases this time related to the respiratory system. Diseases caused, and till date there is no medicines. So we should be careful about that virus. Now next on fungi. Fungi are both useful and harmful. Some common types of fungi, some types of fungal infections are aphids foot, ringworms, and the joke itch. However, some fungi called yeast help us make bread and even some fungi are the useful and some fungi are the harmful. You are familiar to the mushroom. Mushroom is a fungi which is the alternative source or alternative food, and you are also familiar to yeast. Yeast is useful in making the bread. So these are the useful as well as the harmful. And protozoans. Protozoa are the smallest of animals. They cause diseases like food poisoning, dysentery, and the malaria, etc. Now this is for today. Next week we discuss about the what have you learned and the more to know and the word power, and after that we will try to solve the worksheet 8 in which fill in the blanks, pick the right answers, write true and false, give one word answers and answer the following question. That's for today. Thank you.